Good morning, everyone. Darius Dell here to present our macro minute for Monday, October 18th, 2021. So we got a modest risk-off tone in markets this morning with the SPY down 40 basis points. You get the VIX out 8% to 17.5. You do have some duration risk across global fixed income curves. You get the 10-year TIPS yield and Bund yield both up 4 basis points. 10-year Treasury yield nominal and 10-year Swiss yield both up 5 basis points. And you got 10-year gilts up 6 basis points. Cost push inflation continues to be a key concern, both for global bond markets and investors broadly. You got WTI up 2% this morning, a little bit more flattening in the Treasury curve. You got 5s, 30s down 5 basis points to 86 basis points wide. They're down 24 basis points week over week. So you got seen some pretty material spread compression on stagflation fears, and that really hasn't gone anywhere anytime soon, and likely to go anywhere anytime soon in terms of our projections for the economy. Getting into the economic front, China, we got a real GDP out this weekend. It slowed 300 basis points to 4.9% year over year. That was the slowest growth rate since the second quarter of last year. On a quarter over quarter basis, it slowed 100 basis points to only 0.2% on a quarter over quarter basis. So obviously the economy grinding to a halt. Our models continue to suggest that China's heading into the deepest part of its growth slowdown. If you think about the Common Prosperity Initiative and all the regulatory tightening, we've also got a lot of tight monetary policy out of the PBOC. Kind of just looking at the chart, what I'm showing here is 3-month SHIBOR, the blue line, and the red line is China's credit impulse. And all you need to know is that the credit impulse typically doesn't bottom and really recover until after you've seen a major easing cycle out of the PBOC. Well, as you can see right now, in terms of 3-month SHIBOR, which is the most appropriate measure to track there, clearly moving in the wrong direction for a bottoming in that red line. So we continue to sort of support our view that Chinese growth is headed for lower lows over the next couple of quarters. In terms of what's overbought this morning, copper, silver, Aussie dollar, 10-year break even. What's oversold? Nothing. In terms of the risk reward setup this morning, SPY's got 1.5% upside versus 3% downside in its probable range. Dollar's got 1.1% upside versus 30 basis points of downside. And then lastly, fair fight in the Treasury market, 10-year, 12 basis points of upside versus minus 13 basis points of downside in its probable range. So with that, Darius Dell presenting our macro minute for Monday, October 18th, 2021. And if you like these, please click subscribe, like, do all that good stuff. We appreciate all your support with the channel. Thank you.